Stanley 101 plane is a small block plane that is more suited to detailed work, very fine work, trimming up edges on boxes, things like that, possibly luthiers. It's a very cute little block plane. The blade, very small, and the lever cap. Blade just sits inside, underneath the bar through your gap, and the lever cap straight in and screws down to hold it all in place to give you a very nice little plane to shave off. Now, the 101 is not alone. There is another cute little one, which is the 100, the 100. It takes the same blade in the same fashion as the 101, completely interchangeable. The difference being that the 100 has this tail on the back of it, which sits inside your palm and enables you to place your finger on the knob or the divot at the front with the tote in your palm and your thumb on one side, your fingers on the other, and it gives a nice piece of control and something to push with. The 100 is referred to as the squirrel tail because this tote looks very much like a squirrel's tail. As far as using is concerned, the 101 gives you a little bit more flexibility of movement. So if you're curving around edges, it feels a little bit looser and able to go around corners a little bit easier because you can control it just with your fingers, whereas the 100 is more solid, so when you've got it, it's more straight and it has less room to move, because to move it with that tail in your palm of your hand, you've got to cock your wrist to actually curve it around. So both of these have their place, the 100 and the 101, for fine detailed work, luthier work, or similar types of work. No matter what your reason, whether you play with, use, display, happy hunting.